Hidden deep inside Africa's rainforests lives one of the most powerful snakes on Earth, the forest cobra.
Born from carefully hidden eggs, baby cobra venomous and completely alone. No parents, no protection, only instinct.
As juveniles, they survive by speed and stealth, hunting frogs and lizards while avoiding birds and mongooses.
Every shed skin means one thing: they're growing stronger.
Their venom acts fast, ending hunts in seconds and keeping the balance of the forest intact.
As adults, forest cobras can grow over 3 meters long.
A forest cobra can live up to 20 years, ruling silently, unseen, misunderstood.
Not a monster, but a master of survival. Only the strongest survive to pass on their legacy.